Hi everyone, thank you for watching my channel. Hope you subscribe and like this unboxing. So like I said, today is the unboxing of my Apple Watch Ultra. So I just hope you like it. So let's start it. I just bought it a day ago. I had to wait for my iPhone to come. So here it is. So upon opening the plastic, you could see the box is so unique. Even it has texture, nice texture indeed. So tada! So that's the phone. As you can see, it is Alpine Ultra, Alpine new case, black and gray. Okay, so blah blah blah, made in China, designed by Apple in California, made in China. So that's it. Apple Watch Ultra 49mm titanium, black and gray tray. M&M. So let's open. Tada, tada, tada. So as you could see, wow, unique. Sorry, it's a unique box. So what's this? So this is the let's open it. What's this? This is the about the watches. So we have the Alpine look, the ocean, and the trail. So I got the trail. So this is all about the watch. Okay, where is it? So it says the microphone, whatever the crown. That's it. Okay, very colorful for sure. And then tada! This is your warranty. Okay. Nice. Okay, that's it. And then so we'll put this aside. But you can see it. Like I said, very unique box, huh? See? Like the box is expensive. That's why it's twice or 2.5 times more expensive than the regular Apple Watch. So this is the one. I guess this is the watch, and this is the loop. So which one do you want me to open first? The loop or the watch? Of course, the watch. Ha! Okay, let's open it. Dun, 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 dun. Sorry, no music. I can't afford it. Tada! Open again. Okay. I'm excited as you are. Okay, wow. So this is the watch. Wow, you can see. It's properly wrapped. With the orange one. Yeah. And that's nice. Okay. That's the watch and what we have here. So, designed by Apple in California. So I don't know what this is. Maybe the location of Apple in California. Okay. Their charger. Of course, everybody knows that this doesn't come anymore with an adapter. That's the loop. Oh, but you could see that the charger, very nice. There's also texture. Wow, I guess this is really an expensive phone, huh? So let's open the watch. I'm opening it right. Okay, okay. So this is the watch. That's like a new glass. Wow, so excited. So here's the watch. And here's the charger. Okay. So after that, we will now open the. Sorry. Let's open it. So the trail loop hook and loop closure, reset, whatever it is. So from the so what is this is instructions and safety information guide. Okay, thank you Apple. They're so expensive. You open this one. Ta-da. Oops, that's it. Okay, and then you just, everybody knows how to open it. You just snap it. See, and you, I think you heard the snap, so it's already stable. And then put the other side. It's just like this. Oops, I cannot put it. Oh. That's it. Okay, that's it. And then I'll just put it in my hand. Well, that's it guys. My next video is trying to set it up with my iPhone. Okay, see you guys. Thank you. Hope you like this one. Please put a comment. Should I buy a new color? I think orange would be the best one, huh? Yeah, it's like this. What's that right? The orange one would be better. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, this one. This one, the Alpine look would be nice. So I got the black. Anyway, should I change the strap or I'll just maintain it the original way? What do you think guys? Comment below. And I hope you like this video, so subscribe because next time I'm opening my iPhone 14 Pro. Okay, see you guys. Thank you for watching.